In this video, we will demonstrate the new profile option in Rotary Additive Buildup around part. Additionally, we will look at how some of the ramping and step-over options have been updated for this same operation and applied to other operations. Previously, when running Rotary Additive Buildup around part, the only option was to perform a helix move. This helix could have a beginning and end finish pass cap, as shown in this example. Rather than the helical movement and varying height end caps, some manufacturers prefer to slice utilizing planar profiles. Reducing movement to 2 axes at a time with a profile slice may be smoother on some machine kinematics. This is accomplished by choosing the profile option in cut pattern. With the profile slice, more infill step-over options become available and have been either modified or enhanced for Design Center 2512. Choosing the Align Start Point type will have the start points for all of the profiles as close to each other as possible in a line. Choosing Stagger Distance will clock the start points for every level by the user input stagger distance. This is often useful to not overbuild with metal, as may happen in some metal printing processes when the start point is directly on top of each other. New functionality allows for adding a gap to the stagger distance. This can be useful when the bead starts and stops directly at the same point, creating twice as much material on that point. This allows for the start and end to have a small gap to account for the diameter of the bead. Stagger gap is different and is often used with smooth step-overs on closed shapes and when using use-max step-over on the connection. This allows for keeping the tool on the workpiece from level to level with the S-shaped smooth step-over, yet still staggering or clocking the start pass of each level. The start-end overlap only applies to the first and last pass when doing some type of smooth S-shaped step-over. It allows for a little extra material at the very beginning and very end of the build. This can help close small voids at the beginning and end of the builds. These infill step-over options are also in 3D freeform coding, 3D freeform buildup, planar additive follow part, and of course Rotary Additive Buildup.